Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Gharam Jabal Rashidi. In this video, I will be explaining form, meaning, and function. Words connected with asking for understanding and giving direction, and understanding direction and asking someone to repeat something, and expressing requests, and the future with dependent time clauses. This video under the supervision of Miss Nawal Al-Harbi. I hope you find the explanation helpful and clear. Let's get started. Okay, the first rule, it's word connected with asking for understanding and giving direction. First, I want to give you a small trick to remember the word direction. Direction sounds like location. Location, it's where the place you are want to go. And direction, it's how to get there. Okay, remember, location and direction. Some words and phrases we commonly use when asking for giving direction are: when you are looking for a location, you must start politely, like, "Excuse me, I'm looking for." Here you add the place name. Like, for example, "Excuse me, I'm looking for a mall." Like this. Here, "Could you tell me where is?" Like, "Could you tell me where the library is?" Like this. "Can you tell me how to get there?" And "Am I headed in right direction for?" Like this. These some example you can start asking for direction. Here, giving direction. Here it's mean answer. Like, turn left, turn right. You know, left here, this is left, this is right. Take a left, take a right, this is same. Take the first and second left, go straight for a few miles, keep going until you see, keep going until you see corner, like this. When you get to, you will see. If you see, you have gone too far. Like, if you see the school, you have gone too far. Like this, it's so easy. Okay, the second one, understanding direction and asking someone to repeat something. If the description is difficult, don't be shy. Ask them to repeat it. Like, "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that." This means I didn't hear or understand. Like here, "Can you repeat that please?" or "Could you repeat that please?" And "Could you say that again?" "Would you say that again?" "What did you say about?" "Excuse me, but I didn't catch the last part. The part about." "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Would you mind repeating that?" This is asking someone to repeat something. Okay, now we have question A in page 160. Fahad, I don't know why Google Maps can't find Al Nado Street. I think we would better stop and ask for directions. There's a gas situation. Let's pull over and ask someone. Faisal, oh, all right, attendant. You look lost. Fahad, you can say that again. We are looking for Al Nado Street. Attendant, I know this town like the back of my hand, and I can tell you that there's no street by the name. Do you mean Al Safarat Road? Faisal, oh yeah, that must be it. I just got the street name wrong. Fahad, then, attendant, it's not far. You need to out of here. Then, for a couple of miles, keep going. An ice cream shop. If you see the town hall, after the ice cream shop, and you will be in السفارة road. Fahad and Faisal, thanks. Okay, now we will answer number 2. Fahad, what Fahad say here? Okay, you can say, can you tell us how to get there? And with a question mark. Here the attendant say, it's not far, you need to out of here. You need what? What do you think? You can say turn left, turn right. Here, then, for a couple of miles, you can say go straight. Here, keep going, an ice cream shop. What do you think? Until you see an ice cream shop. If you see the town hall after the ice cream shop and you will be in El Safarat Road, what do you think? You have gone too far. And here you can say take a first or a second left, like this. These are the answers of question A. Now, the third rule is expressing requests, offers, promises, warnings, and spontaneous decisions. Use can and will for requests. Use will for offers and promises. Now let's look at how we can and will in our daily conversations. For requests, we use can and will. Can and will for requests. Example, can you tell me where you live? Will you drive me home? And use will for offers and promises. I will draw you a map. Sure, I will draw you a map. Sorry, I can't, I have an appointment. And we use will for spontaneous decisions, like now the children have left for college. This house is too big for us. I know, we will downsize into an apartment. This is about the third rule. Now the fourth rule, it's talk about the future with dependent time clauses when, before, after, and while, and until. Okay, we can talk about future events using a time clauses with when and before, after, while, and until, a present tense, verb, from, not a future form, is used in the time clauses and will is used in the main clauses. After the time word, use the present tense. Don't use will here. Here, don't use will. You should know to don't use will. In the main sentence, use will future. In the main sentence, you can use will for the future. Example, I will help him with his homework while you wash the dishes, okay? We say wash because it's present. We don't say will wash, no, we say wash. Here, when he finish work, he will go straight home. Here, we add es to finish because it's a present symbol, okay? Here, don't worry, I will take care of the children until you get back. Now, girls, let's look at exercise C. We need to choose between the future will or the present tense. Remember, In a sentence with the time word like when, before, as soon as, until, the verb after the time word must be in present tense. Okay? The other part of the sentence use will for the future. The company manufacture the parts when they receive the order. Here we add will. We add will and with this word like here. Okay? And here we add like the same word. We don't change anything. Why? The word when is our time word. So the verb after the reserve must be in a present tense. The first part of the sentence is a future result, okay? So we use will manufacture. Okay? We use will manufacture. The second one, he will travel, the word before he gets married and settles down. Here we add will with travel. Okay, and here we say gets. The time word, it's before. The action after it must be in present tense. So we use gets with s because of he. You know, here is it singular. Then we use s because he. Okay, question number 3. I run to the story before it starts running. I will run to the story starts. We add s. Why? Again, we have before right here. The verb after it starts. Present tense. The action I will do is will running. Question number 4. When you drive down the road, you see a large red building. We say, when you drive, we don't change anything. Here, you will see. Why? Here the time word, it's when. So, the first verb, it's drive, must be present tense. Okay, question number 5. You continue, argue with me until I change my mind. The first one, we add will, and to argue, we don't change anything from the word change. Why? The time word, it's until. Must be present tense change. Change must be present tense, okay? That's the end of our lesson. I hope everything was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.